What's up, YouTube? It's your boy here again, just to let you know that this is the first time I'm ever going to be participating in a car meet in the state of Hawaii. And actually, this time I'm a part of it because I got a muscle car. Well, yeah, so I recently got invited to, join this car club called Muscle Cars Hawaii. Shout out to Hellcat Aaron. I really appreciate it. It's crazy how things work, because I saw this guy getting his car washed the same day that I was getting mine. I just was admiring his Hellcat. As you guys know, and if you don't know, I have a 2020 slim body Scat Pack Dodge Charger. So, got the color, the frostbite blue. So, yeah, it looks pretty nice, man. I took the bananas off on the front finally. But, I'm just looking forward to seeing what this is all going to be about. I'm going to get some good footage. This is hopefully, something that I can just keep doing for the rest of this 2021. Something to kind of take my mind off of things and whatnot. So, with that being said, you guys stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and grab this gas. And I'll see you in a few. Peace. Alright, so headed to the meetup spot with another car club. They are supposed to be linking up. We're just it's not our car meet. It's actually our president's what you call it? It's his cousin's car club. I know he told everybody not to cut up in their cars, but looking at all this heat that we got out here, yeah, somebody bound to, you know, get nasty. You know, we got everything from Hellcats to Scatties, you know, Scat Gang, of course. We got the heavy Chevys in the building, a couple of Trailblazer SS's. We even got the crowd killer Mustangs out here too. So long story short, let's get this party started. And yeah, see you guys at the meet.
Theo got it. Theo got it. Theo got it. Theo got it.
Catch you later, bro. All right. All right.
Boy, you crazy.
Right on. Take care. See you later.